friends, how are you? Today I've made a routine chart, so I thought that why not share with you. At 12 o'clock, most probably I'm in school. Lunchtime, I will take some nap. I will study, read books, do my homework. Yes, I will take snack. I will watch television. Of course, I will go to park. I will take little bit shower, have my dinner. Then I will read some books. Story time. Then finally I will sleep. Hope you like my chart. If you like, then give me thumbs up.